So, you're applying for position of fridge magnet.
Yes.
So, tell me, what would make you a good fridge magnet?
Well, to start, I'm a force to be reckoned with. I'm super attractive. Always positive, with just enough negativity to humble myself. And my power of enthusiasm is conductive to others.
Right, but could you stick to fridges?
Oh, sorry. Yes, well, I'm always cool-headed. I'm always switched on, even when the light seems off.
No, like, do you stick to fridges?
Well, no.
I see. Well, why would you apply for such a position?
Well, why do you have such a position?
The boxes of bureaucracy need ticking. You know.
This is ridiculous.
Well, you can get out right now with that attitude.
I don't want to work for a nutter like you anyway. Jesus Christ, honestly.
Can we have the next applicant, please? So, you're applying for position of fridge magnet.
Yes.
So, tell me, what would make you a good fridge magnet?
Well, for a start, I like to slam doors on little children's fingers. I also like to keep old people locked out of the toilet when they really need to go. and I really love swinging open when couples are making love in public toilets. Especially adulterers.
Forgive my ignorance if I'm wrong, but you're not a fridge magnet, are you?
No. You could say I'm a little unhinged.
The corners are so pointy.